The house was built in 1883. It has many gorgeous and amazing features, especially the portico chair that is very unique to this house. The previous owner had to go before the Historical Society to get permission to change the original slate roof to be able to put on the DaVinci shingles. There was a gas fireplace, and it started a fire inside the walls of the ceiling on the third floor. My son-in-law was here at the time. He called the fire department. They came in under 5 minutes. They were the most amazing men. They got the fire out. It took them almost 5 hours. And they told my son-in-law that the DaVinci shingles prevented the house from burning to the ground because of the material that they were made out of. Fire resistant, fire retardant. It contained the hole in the ceiling to basically minimal. It could have just completely spread to the entire house and it would no longer be here. When it came time to make the decision to choose the roofing material, I was very, very set on using the DaVinci slate roof that was on there. I believe that the saving of the house made our decision pretty clear, and I was less preoccupied with the cost of it. After I heard what the firefighter said, I was very set on using the DaVinci slate that had originally been on the home because I truly believe that it did save the house.